Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this really simple spicy grilled chicken which is finger licking good. These are the ingredients you'll need to make the chicken, and if you have any questions leave them down in the comment section below. So first you're going to take your curd and add in your ginger garlic paste. Then add in the red chili powder. Cumin powder and the coriander powder, the cinnamon powder, the flour, and the salt. Then mix everything well with a spoon. Then add in the chicken. Then mix well by hand till all of the chicken is coated. Then cover this and refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight. Then you're going to arrange the chicken on a non-stick baking tray. Then grill the chicken on high rack for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, you're going to turn over the chicken pieces. And be careful as the chicken will be hot. Then grill for 10 more minutes. And that's it, your chicken should be done, and this tastes so good. And this recipe is really easy. I hope you give it a try and check out my channel for other videos of mine and subscribe to stay updated with all my new recipes. I'll be back with another recipe. Bye!